Quick video, show you how to do, show you how to remove the wing mirror of a Meriva B 2010 to 2017, I think it is. The only thing you need a door card off on the inside is to disconnect the wiring for it. Push the bung inside the car, because when you remove the mirror you're going to pull it up through the outside of the door. So what you need to do is you need to get a screwdriver behind here and pull the cover towards the front of the car, and once that's off, I'm going to show you how you remove it after the cover's off. Alright, once you've got the cover off, what you need to do is use one of these. The size you need is a TX40. It's pretty deep down there, you have to get it on an angle to get to the bolt, but it doesn't take very long to get it loose. And once you get it loose, that's what I mean by the bung on the inside. You just need to take the door card off to push that through into this inside panel, and then basically you just once you've got that TX40 loose, you just pull the wiring through, which I'm going to have to let go of the camera, but yeah, it's as easy as that.